great program on professionalism, and they continue to do that and meet and grow that committee. Jocelyn, who was part of the original approval of that committee, decided that she would establish a President's Professionalism Award, and this will be the first award. And let me bring up Joelle to tell us how the selection is made and the criteria.
Thanks, Jim. Yes, the Board of Governors approved our description at the mid-year meeting in the Bahamas. And I'd like to just read that to you again so that you'll really have an appreciation of our first ever recipient today. The recipient of the AAML Professionalism Award is a fellow who consistently demonstrates a commitment to the practice of matrimonial law in a principled manner that is at all times civil, cooperative, and respectful to opposing counsel, witnesses, third parties, and the court. This attorney advocates for their client's legitimate interests without using the litigation process as a tool to harass or to demean others, and does not respond in kind when others behave acrimoniously. He or she is able to achieve successful results for their clients while maintaining professionalism and civility, who is trusted by members of the profession and the judiciary alike to practice law with decency, and who enjoys a reputation in the community as an attorney of excellent character whose behavior elevates our profession. We sought nominations throughout the chapters. We were excited to get 16 for our first inaugural Professionalism Award. We had a subcommittee made up of Vice Chair David Starks, myself, and some other committee members who selected. It was a little difficult because there were so many awesome nominations. But we selected 5 finalists that we then presented to President Davis and past President McLaren to select today's recipient. I don't get to give the big reveal. That's left to Mr. McLaren and President Davis, but I was given a moment as a point of personal privilege just to say a few things that might tease you about who the recipient might be. Like you would expect, this person is known for professionalism and integrity. This person has been a mentor to many, including myself as a fellow. This recipient sort of adopted me and has really taken care of me and my family and others as a great mentor. This person is greatly respected by their peers, and this person was absolutely instrumental in the creation of the Professionalism and Congeniality Committee, and feels very strongly and passionately that we as fellows should exemplify professionalism in all that we do. This person is very special to me, and we share 2 passions. One is a passion for grandparent access rights, and the other is playing a mean piano. This person is a great family member, family dedicated person, and a great fellow. I'll turn it over to you.
This lawyer is the lawyer's lawyer. He is the mensch in his legal community. He is well thought of by everyone, without exception. He has 3 children who still like him. He still has the same wife, 38 years thereabouts. He's just a really good guy. He gives back. He's really the lawyer who does things that don't really benefit him, but benefit the community we serve. He's been a champion of grandparent rights for a very long time. He has founded SMILE, start making it lovable for everyone to improve the divorce process. You and Me Make 3. And he's just done some wonderful things during his career, unselfishly. And then he's got all the normal stuff, super lawyers, all that kind of thing. He was a 2006 AAML Fellow of the Year. He received the Lifetime Achievement Award from the Michigan Family Law Section, 2004 Champion for Justice of Justice. That's the Michigan Bar's highest award. He's done everything. I'm not going to read the rest of it. But if Richard hasn't figured out by now that he is receiving this award, we'll come up, bring him up.
me just quickly say, first I have to say thank you very much to the Academy. Jocelyn, I have to also thank my wife Denise, who's my partner in everything that I do, especially with the Academy. I think you all know her, and I know you all love her more than me. But this award, is the first award for professionalism, must be shared with two people. Jim McLaren is the person who thought of this committee, whose brainchild professionalism was, and when he gave me the call to take the duty and responsibility on, I really appreciated it, but this could not have happened without Jim and his foresight in thinking that this was something that was necessary for our Academy. And thank you, Jim. Thank you very much for the opportunity. It goes without saying that, Jocelyn, you carried it forward, and really, without you, this would not have become a standing committee. But there is another person who stands that I think really deserves this much more than me as the first recipient, and Cheryl Heffer. Where are you, Cheryl? Cheryl. First of all, there would be no Richard Victor in the National Academy without Cheryl. And I dare the people to raise their hands in this room without Cheryl Heffer that would not have become involved in National if they hadn't received invitations to dinner from Cheryl at one time or another to say, I want you to meet these other strangers because I found something in all of you that you all have in common, and that's love for the law, love for the profession, love for the Academy, and I think that you're going to go places. And I invariably know that many of you all became national presidents or will become national presidents. So Cheryl, this is shared with you as the first award of the year.
Denise, would you please come over here and have a picture taken?
Thank you.
As we, what a wonderful event. Thank you all. That's very special for the Academy and for our first recipient, Richard Victor, and I know this tradition will be carried forward with gusto. Congratulations again, Richard. While I'm here, I have one other award that I would like to make during our open